In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Resize in Canva. This feature is a huge time saver when you need the same design in different dimensions for social media, documents, or ads, and it helps keep your branding consistent across every format. Before we start, remember that Magic Resize is part of Canva Pro. First, launch Canva and open the design you want to resize. It's best to use your original, well-polished version as a master file, so you always have a clean starting point to resize from. Next, look toward the top left of the editor toolbar and find the Resize button, sometimes shown as the magic switch icon. Clicking this opens a panel with all your resizing options. You'll see suggested sizes for popular platforms like social posts, stories, thumbnails, and common document presets. You can select one size if you're targeting a single platform, or choose multiple sizes at once if you want to generate a full set in a single pass. If you have a specific requirement, enter a custom width and height, and pick the unit that makes sense for your project, like pixels for digital assets or inches for print. After you've chosen your sizes, click Continue. Canva will ask how you want to apply the change. Copy and Resize creates new designs in separate tabs while keeping your original untouched, which is the safest option for most workflows. Resize in place modifies the current design. Use this when you're certain you won't need the original layout anymore, because it replaces it. If you're unsure, choose Copy and Resize to avoid losing your baseline. Once you proceed, Canva generates each new format in its own tab. Take a moment to review each one. Because aspect ratios differ, elements may shift slightly. Tweak the placement of images and graphics so nothing important is cropped. Adjust text size to maintain readability and balance, and watch for awkward line breaks or spacing. Use alignment tools to keep everything centered or consistently aligned, and make sure logos and key messages sit within safe margins so they won't be cut off on certain platforms. When everything looks right, download each version. Pick the file type that suits the destination: PNG or JPG for most digital uses, or PDF for print documents. Give your files clear names so you can quickly identify where each one belongs. That's it. Thanks for watching.